Hello ma'am, so in this video I'm going to provide a summary for the product concept of our group. So our product is the digital identity verification system for GrabFood. So what it would do is that it would take a photo of the customer when placing an order on the Grab application, which would be used to verify the legitimacy of the order. So what problem would it solve? So uh, the problem that our system would address is the lack of verification on the GrabFood app, which leads to the huge amount of scams and fake orders that occur on that app. So the core problem is similar to the problem or issue, which is the scams and the fake orders. So this happens because of the Grab application does not have a way to uh, verify whether the individual who placed the order is the same individual that receives it. So our system would be the way to fix that. So what is the big idea behind your proposed product? So implementing the digital identity verification system into the GrabFood application would help reduce the scams that take place on the app by providing it with a way to verify the identity of the customers and whether the identities of the person who ordered from the app and the person who received the product are the same. So how do you think your proposed product would help solve the problem or issue? So using the digital identity verification system would provide the app with a way to get the physical identity of the person who placed the order, thus becoming a deterrent for potential scammers and making them easier to trace and punish if they do so. So basically our product is a verification system for the GrabFood application, in which it using the system it would take a picture whenever someone orders something from the application and use that picture to check if uh, the person who received the product is the same person who ordered it. So using the system we could reduce the amount of scams that happen in that application.
Good day, everyone. So I'm Bridalyn N. Bejeras. Today, I'm going to discuss about the target market of our product innovation named Digital Identity Verification System. So, so let's describe the specific target market or the target audience. So the target market for our digital identity verification system might be Grab food delivery online applications, specifically the consumers as the best recipients for a particular consensus of some restaurants delivery application, a type of people that are anticipated to buy food online. So what specific need do they try to achieve for them to consider our product? So in order for them to consider our digital identity verification system application, especially in the Philippines, the simple adulterated online food delivery is receiving a lot of attention at the moment. While it is widely acknowledged that food fraud is a large and expensive problem requiring urgent action, there is no practical advice available about exactly what action food businesses should take to prevent this wave and detect the food fraud. How would you convince them that your product is the answer to their problem? By the use of our digital identity verification system, yet the rise of payment fraud can be prevented. It is demonstrating how the image processing works. Image processing by the use of the mobile application in the online food delivery system of Grab are much better than the humans as processing the large records of data. They are able to detect and recognize thousands of patterns on a user's purchasing routine instead of a few captured information. By implementing these rules before they can order online. They are required to scan their faces presently so that it can predict fraud in a large volume of transaction by applying cognitive computing technologies of a source to a source data. How would you satisfy them in terms of the proposed product price, quality, and convenience? Our system has a four-factor to satisfy. These are the speed, scalable, efficient, and more accurate. In other words, it can give the ability to detect fraud, especially the payment transaction. Online food delivery is particularly convenient to everyone. But with the right tools and by the use of image processing and strategies, operators of Grab and other delivery services can minimize its impact. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Daniel Comayingking, and today I'll be presenting the step 3, which is the product design. So at the first picture we have the current and original GrabFood checkout page where the customer can place and finalize their order without having the need of verifying their identity. So at the second picture, we have the current and original GrabFood checkout page, but we have added a digital identity verification system where the customer must verify themselves through a series of verification systems such as ID, document recognition, and also face composition before they are allowed to finalize and place their order. With the addition of this system, the problem of our riders getting scammed gets eliminated. That's it.
Hello, so with this I'm going to discuss the competition or the research on other products. So currently there are no service application that has a Face ID system to help eliminate fake orders and bookings that have been around for a while now. Once the proposed solution is proven effective, Grab application will be the first of its kind to have this algorithm. Next. There are so many service applications out there, but with Face ID system, it offers the users a more secure transaction, both the riders and the consumers. Next. Other service applications offer cashless payment for a more secure transaction. Grab offers both cashless and cash on delivery due to some consumers that does not want to incorporate their bank and credit accounts for some reason, or they just prefer the cash on delivery payment method. Next one is, so how will you beat the competition? Continuous quality improvement and good marketing are needed for this proposed solution to build the brand, raise its visibility among diverse audiences, and gain a competitive edge among the competition. As said, once the proposed solution is proven effective and efficient, it may convince other service application that allows COD method to use this system. And finally, how do you want your target market to remember your proposed innovation? So, this would be the critical part of the game. Crucial to the development process are the people developers need as a team in order to have a successful innovation. Also, a good customer relationship is a must for them to remember the proposed innovation. Thank you.